Good morning, Rumi. Come on, wake up. Good morning. I'm ready to start the day.
It's time to wake up, Zoe. I don't want to get up. I'm sleepy. Good morning! I'm ready to start the day. Now it's your turn. It's time for you to wake up, Mira. I'm ready to start the day. Hi. Now it's time to take a shower. Come on, girls. Great. We're ready for a shower. Mira, it's your turn. Let's go. Yay! The water is great. Now is your turn, Zoe. Oh, great! Now you, Rummy. I love taking baths. Now you're all clean, Zoe. Let's dry you off with a towel. Come on, Mira. Time to dry you off and wrap you up in a towel. Perfect, Mira. Come on, Rumi. Time to get out of the water. Rummy, it's time to dry you off with a towel. Perfect, Rumi. All right, girls, you're all ready. Now it's time to brush your teeth. Let's put some toothpaste on your toothbrushes. Come on, Zoe. Let's brush your teeth with your favorite colored toothbrush. Come on, Mira. Now it's your turn. Let's brush your teeth. Great job, girls. Now let's take off your towels and blow dry your hair. All right, Romy. First, let's brush your hair. You're all done, Romy. Now it's Zoe's turn. It's your turn now, Mira. Let's make your hair look pretty. Great job, girls. You look incredible. Now it's time to get dressed for the show. Let's go. Let's open them up and see the costumes. Let's get you dressed, Mira. First, we'll put on your outfit and then your beautiful shoes. I love this outfit. It's my favorite one. You look beautiful, Mira. Now it's Zoe's turn. Let's put this outfit on you, Zoe. I love these colors. Perfect. You look beautiful. Now it's time for the amazing rummy. Let's go. You look amazing, Rami. Now, let's put on your shoes to finish. Perfect. You girls are all ready. You look amazing. Now, let's go get something to eat. Welcome to the kitchen. Let's see what's inside the refrigerator. Delicious. I'm gonna serve you some orange juice. How about some sushi now? Delicious! First Zoe, then Mira, and after Rumi. Now let's use the chopsticks to eat. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's so delicious. Perfect, girls. Now it's time to go. Let's get in the car and head to the big show. Okay, Rumi, grab the car keys. You're the driver today. It's time to go. Hop in the car. Oh, but first, let's get a refreshing drink for the trip. Boba tea. Now we're all ready. It's time to go. Let's go. go!
You stare in the mirror longer than I do. Must have been deleted and it felt good, but I couldn't.
Now, please subscribe to my channel to see more squishy books.